Hey everyone, so today I'm going to share with you my soft everyday go-to look. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing, I'm prepping my skin with the Pixi Glow Tonic. I'm already using this Glow Tonic since almost a month, and I have made a separate video. I won a giveaway from Instagram page of Pixi Glow, so you can check that. I'll share the link in my description box. This next I have applied here is from Good Vibes Argan Fine Line Minimizing Face Cream. This is one of my favorite. I have also shared the Good Vibes haul. I will definitely share the link somewhere on the I button or in my description box. I have also recommended the Argan cream, is very nice. It is somewhat similar to the body lotion of Argan product which I had purchased from the Switzerland, and this is, I would say, like a dupe of that cream, that lotion. So after this I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. In my shade is 220 Natural Beige. So I'm just dotting this, and I'm using this brush here which I took from Sephora. So it was for around 1100 something. So if you go to Sephora, definitely get this blending brush. It's awesome. So it blends my foundation really well. I have used this brush. It's very smooth and silicone brush it is. So I mean the hairs of the brush, it's silicone, so it does not hurt your skin. It's very soft and it blends really nicely, you will see. After the foundation, I'm setting my face with the Stay Quirky Compact, and the shade is Honey I Love You Too. Such a unique and beautiful name of the foundation, the compact. So don't forget to also apply on your neck and along with your face, so the skin tone looks even. So after this I am doing my eyebrows with Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 03 Woody Scooby. So now I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm using this eyeshadow palette, NYX Professional Perfect Filter Rustic Antique. So I'm just doing like an everyday kind of look. So I love this palette. It has all nude shades and maroon shades and brown shades. So I'm using that shade and just doing it's one single shade which I'm using, and I'm just applying it on my eyes. It gives that natural look. So you can use any shade from your favorite palette of your choice whenever you want to go anywhere out and you want to look also soft and glamorous as well. So you can just use any nude shade of your choice. After this I'm using this kajal from Revlon Colorstay eyeliner, and it's like one side eyeliner kajal kind of, and in the other side it's a smudger, and this is the shade 201 Black. So it's an awesome kajal, and it smudges also fast and it dries also fast, so you need to be real quick. So I'm just applying this kajal and smudging it, so it gives little smoky kind of look. It looks very nice. You should try. Next I'm using mascara from Revlon Mega Multiplier, and this is also it's okay kind of mascara. Does not give a very nice and fuller look, but it's medium. So if you're looking for something which is medium, not very heavy on your eyes and stays for a long time, but not gives you that thick look, but it's an okay medium coverage kind of look, so you can definitely give this a try. It's Revlon Mega Multiplier. I will definitely share all the links of these products in my description box. You can definitely go ahead and check that out. And I don't know how many times I said that definitely word. And next comes my lips. So I'm using this lip liner from Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner in the shade 11, that is purple. I have a detailed review and swatches of 12 lip liners from Swiss Beauty, so go ahead and check that out as well. I will share the link in my description box. So I'm using this lip liner in the shade 11, and I also like filling the lip liner in between. In that way, once I use a lipstick, the lipstick stays really long. After this, I'm using lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics, that is Sugar Click Me Up Velvet Lipstick in the shade 01 Spicy Salmon. It's a beautiful nude pinkish kind of shade. It may go to fair to medium skin tone. And I have also shared a swatch video. If you'll check my Sugar video, I think it's Go To box, that new bag which is come pink box. I have almost so many videos. I will share the link in my description box. After this, I'm for blush I'm using Tint, a Dear Darling water tint in the shade 02. I'm just applying this few drops on my cheeks, and it gives a natural blush kind of look, so I like applying this tint whenever I want to go, like it's like a daily kind of look, or if you want to go office you can use this tint. It also gives you that natural blush. See, you can see how pink I'm looking. So the next I'm using here is the highlighter from Sugar Cosmetics, that is Contour de Force mini highlighter in the shade 03 Metal. And if you have the doubt of that bird chain, I'm sure you all will love it. That is from Shein. I will also share the link in my description if in case you love to buy it as well. So if you have tested any of these products and you have your own opinion, so please leave a comment and I will be happy to read it. So please subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.